kids, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to read Lara the Yellow Ladybird. So, are you ready to listen to this story? Then, let's start. Lara the Yellow Ladybird. Lara the Yellow Ladybird was a special bug. Unlike all her friends, she had bright yellow wings. Everyone loved her yellow wings. Each morning, baby butterfly said hello, and manto mantis always waved. Even Sesa, the sulky spider, was happy to see her. At school, she played lots of friends. But Lara wanted to be like the other ladybirds. I wish I had red wings like you, Mama, she cried. So one day, to cheer her up, Lara's mother painted her wings bright red. The next morning, nobody greeted Lara on her way to school. And when she got there, none of her friends said hello. Lara sat all alone. No one noticed her new red wings. Until Miss Maya spotted her and said, "You have painted your lovely yellow wings?" Lara's classmates were shocked. "Your wings are special, so unique, so rare." "Lara," Miss Mia said, "your yellow wings are what make you you, like Sipho's spots and Sally's legs." Back home, Lara took a long bath and scrubbed until her golden wings gleamed. "I will never paint my wings again," she thought. "Except maybe once or twice." To try a bit of purple or something nice, but not forever and just for fun. So, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Then, see you on next video. Goodbye.